Aspiring real estate investors, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team. Today, we're diving deep into the world of real estate investing and unveiling the top 10 investment tips that will elevate your real estate ventures and set you on the path to financial freedom. So grab your notepads because we're about to unlock the secrets of real estate success. Tip number 1, start with a clear financial plan. Before you dive into the real estate market, take a step back and assess your financial situation, understanding your budget, your risk tolerance, and your long-term financial goals. This will help you determine the real estate investments that align with your objectives, whether you are investing in townhomes, condos, single-family homes, or multifamily properties. Number 2, harness the power of leverage. Real estate allows you to use other people's money to grow your wealth. Learn how to leverage financing options such as mortgages, private loans, or partnerships to maximize your investment potential. However, remember that leverage comes with risks, so proceed with caution and ensure your investments are cash flow positive. Tip number 3, diversify your portfolio wisely. While focusing on a niche is essential, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Broaden your real estate investment horizon by diversifying across various property types, geographic locations, and investment strategies. This minimizes risks and increases your chances of generating consistent returns. Tip number 4, master the art of negotiation. Real estate transactions often involve negotiations. Learn how to negotiate effectively to secure favorable deals, whether you're purchasing properties, negotiating rental agreements, or working with contractors. Negotiation skills can save you significant money and hassle in the long run. Tip number 5, build a resilient team. Successful real estate investors surround themselves with a dependable team of professionals. This team may include real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and legal advisors. Building strong and solid relationships with these experts will streamline your investment and help you overcome any challenge. Tip number 6, analyze cash flow thoroughly. The lifeblood of real estate investing is positive cash flow. Before acquiring property, create detailed financial projections that factor in all expenses, including maintenance, property management, and vacancies. A positive cash flow ensures your investment remains profitable even in challenging times. Tip number 7, stay patient and avoid emotional decisions. Real estate is a long-term game. Avoid making impulsive decisions driven by fear or excitement. Stick to your investment strategy and remember that real estate values tend to appreciate over time and patience can be your most valuable asset. Tip number 8, look into new markets. Sure, well-known markets are stable, but new markets can grow a lot. Keep an eye on neighborhoods or areas that are just starting to get popular. Investing in these places is a smart idea. They often have cheaper properties that can increase in value quickly. Tip number 9, leverage technology effectively. The world of real estate is rapidly evolving, and technology is a key driver. Harness the power of digital tools like online property portals, advanced real estate software, and comprehensive data analytics. These resources can aid in property searches, monitoring market trends, and simplifying property management tasks. Staying ahead with technology equips you with a significant advantage in the competitive real estate landscape. Number 10, elevate your real estate game with continual education and networking. Picture yourself at a high-profile real estate conference, rubbing shoulders with industry titans. Now imagine having a seasoned real estate professional as your guide, someone who's been there and done that. Their experience is a treasure map to the vast world of real estate. Invest in workshops, seminars, and conferences, but also invest in the wisdom of a mentor. Remember, success in real estate isn't just about what you know, it's about who you know. And with the right guide, the possibilities are infinite. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the top 10 investment tips that will empower you on your real estate journey. Remember, real estate investing is an ongoing learning process. Take these insights to heart, stay disciplined, and keep your eye on your long-term goals. If you found this video valuable and insightful, please do me a huge favor by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real estate knowledge and tips. Your support fuels my mission to educate and empower real estate enthusiasts like you. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, please ask away in the comment section below. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to Maryland, Our expertise is just a phone call away. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I dive even deeper into the captivating world of real estate investing. Until next time, and may your investments be as fruitful as your dreams. Happy investing.